y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Keep It Jazzy. Hey, it's your girl, Keep It Jazzy. Hey, I am back with another video on this look, you guys. I'm super excited to show y'all this. This is definitely a good go-to of mine when I'm in a rush, about to go out, and I don't have a lot of time. I only use one small eyeshadow palette. It's good for if you're on the go. If your friend like, girl, let's hurry up, we got somewhere to be, okay? So this is definitely an easy look for you. If you do not wear dark lipstick, you can easily pair this same eyeshadow look with light pink or a nude. Make sure you guys definitely hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like that, and comment down below if you have any questions on what I'm doing today or just in general what you guys want to see in the future. If you guys are ready to see how I got this look, make sure you stay tuned. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. So first I'm going to start off by using my rose water just to prep and prime my face and give it a nice hydration. Then I'm going to go in with my Ardell brow pomade in the color dark brown. Y'all know I love this stuff so much. I use it all the time. So easy, very affordable, between like 11 and 14 bucks from Sally's. And the way I just do my eyebrows is just I kind of just trace the shape that I want and then I fill it in from there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side as well. And then once I get to the front of my brow, I kind of make little strokes, vertical strokes, so that it appears as a natural hair in the front. Next, I'm going to go on with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. And I'm just going to underline and make my brows look crisp on the bottom. I don't typically do them on the top with the concealer if I'm in a rush or if I'm not going for a super dramatic look or anything like that. Plus, my brows turned out good enough this time around. And then I'm going to put the same concealer all over my eyelid to prep for my eyeshadow. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques fluffy brush. I'm just going to buff out that concealer so that it's not any harsh lines and no creasing. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Pro To Go Tarte palette. I love this palette, you guys, so much because it's very compact if you don't have a lot of space and if you're in a hurry. So I'm going to be using that tan color on the bottom called Crisp, and as my transition color, I'm going to be using that in just circular motions right above my crease and a little bit on my crease as well. Next, I'm going in with the color Boss from the Pro To Go palette, and I'm just going to be using a basic fluffy blending brush to wipe that all over the lid and going in a little bit into that crisp color just to give us a little bit of shimmer and shine, and very subtle. Next, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix in the color NC50. You already know I've always used this product in my last videos. I'm just going to be using my Real Techniques foundation brush. And no, I did not use any orange color correcting concealer this time, just because we are in a hurry, you guys, and this foundation is pretty full coverage as it is. Then I'm going to take a beauty blender just to give me that airbrush look and make sure everything is blended out and smooth and we don't have any brush lines on our face. Then I'm going back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige to use as my highlight. So you just putting that all underneath the eyes, on your bridge of your nose, forehead, chin, and the top of the lip. And then I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Make sure it's damp, you guys. It's best if it's damp. It makes it blend easier and smoothly, no harsh lines. We don't want that at all. We don't want anybody to see imperfections, so I'm just using that to blend all that concealer. To contour my face, I'm using my black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark. And you're just going to be putting that on the hollows of your cheekbones and all around the perimeters of your face. You can also put a little bit underneath your chin if you want to sculpt that as well. And then if you're into contouring your nose, you will use it for that as well. Next, you guys, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio Cocktail Party in the color Vegas. I'm just going to be putting that darker blush tone everywhere that I already contoured, just to bronze me up a little bit. To set that highlight in place, ladies, I am going in with that Sache Buttercup setting powder. Love this powder so much. It has a great yellow undertone for brown skin and darker skin tones. And then I'm going to be going in with my NYX Epic liner while that setting powder is setting in place and getting us looking bomb. And I'm not going to do too much of a wing on my eyeliner. I'm not trying to go for a super dramatic look, so yeah. Then you can just use any face brush just to wipe away that setting powder. It should come right off. And then your highlight is set in place. It's not going to crease or nothing. We is looking fine as wine. I did add a little blush, you guys, with my Real Techniques blush brush. This is the Tarte blush color Paaarrty. We like to party. Hey. Hey, let me stop. My highlight, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in light to medium. Just taking that highlight shade in that palette and just wiping it on my cheeks, my nose, top of my lip. And also I'm going to use it for my eyebrows as well to highlight underneath the brow bone. I love this highlight color, you all. It's definitely buildable and perfect for beginners if you are new to highlighting. And then I'm just going to go in with the black eyeshadow for my eyeliner. It's much darker and I like the effect that it has much better. Going back in with that Pro To Go Tarte palette in the color Styling. And I'm going to smoke out underneath the waterline just to add a little bit extra to that eye, just because we didn't do too much to begin with. I think it makes it look very pretty and it brightens up your eye. Then I'm also going to use the Gold Shimmer Hype and put that in the corners of my eyes. We on to the lips, y'all. So I'm using my Urban Decay liquid lipstick in the color Blackmail as a liner. And I'm just going to blot my lips together just to start getting that color all over my lips before I go in with my lip color. I love this liquid lipstick. It is matte, but it does not feel matte. And that's why I love it so much. It doesn't dry your lips out. So to fill in my lips, I'm going to be using a burgundy lip liner. I am not sure the color, y'all. It came from the beauty supply for $1.99, so just find any burgundy that's not too dark and fill that in for your lip color. I use that lip liner as my lip color just because I know that it will stay on all night, especially if you are at work and then you're going out to party after, or if you're out all day long with your friends. It's lash time. So honestly, you all can use any lashes. I recommend a very dramatic lash. I'm using the Ardell Mega Volume lash in the number 253. And I've used these so many times, so definitely recommend these. They have a thicker band, so that means that they last for multiple uses. So just keep that in mind when you are buying lashes. And y'all, I started tearing up. Don't y'all hate that? When your makeup, you start, like your eyes start watering, and then you gotta go back in and use some more concealer. So that's what I did basically right here. And then if your hair is pulled back like mine's or up in a bun to complete the look, Definitely go in with a statement earring. It's a very cute and it definitely completes the look. So you guys, this is the final look. I'm really loving it. Very simple, very easy makeup, you guys. The thing that made this look was definitely the lipstick, of course. And then just do like a cute, sleek hairstyle, like such as this one, or like a top knot bun. I just got my hair in a little ponytail right now. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my. Oh, this dark lipstick is everything. Add some cute statement earrings and you're on your way, guys. Other than that, see you guys next Wednesday. Bye, guys.